Alright, number 3, it has warmed up, so that's awesome and amazing. And let me spin you around. So we are doing TPO roof wash here and a house wash. Although this isn't on the house yet, in a year's time it could get over there, so she was a little concerned, so we're gonna trim those 2 branches at the end of this limb. There's just a little fork out there. Take those off, and down one more down there. Well, I'm gonna clip that off, and nothing else is gonna get over there in a year's time. She's thinking about removing this whole tree, so. All right, so this is what we're doing. The house isn't too bad. I mean, definitely can use a cleaning, you know, on the back sides in here. So get it all nice and pretty. Did I say pretty? Beautiful. Clean to preserve, making things beautiful. Anyway. Oh goodness. I'm gonna get up here. The old trusty DeWalt electric chainsaw. And oh, I gotta get my battery. All right. Now we are trimmed away from the roof, and we don't have to worry about anything getting there before we get here next. Still number 3. We're on the TPO roof here. Alright, and just trim that tree away from there just so it doesn't create any problems in the year when we won't be here. So this is what we're working with today. And it's an old Erez TPO, pretty good shape. A couple little inconsistencies. Got a pop screw that is compromised now. It's popped through. And right where my hose is sitting there, we got a picture of it. It's just a split right at the transition there from the gable to the main. And there's quite a few pop screws up here, but none of them are creating any issues yet, except for that one. That is totally wore through, so we're gonna seal that at the end, and then that corner as well. Starting to lose the edge, as you can see there. She's gonna need a new roof here in the near future, unfortunately. But easily here, because it has not been leaking. Save some money on a reskin. And anyway, today it's not today. Today we are going to get her cleaned up and while we're here, and make sure that it gets the life that it can. And I'm gonna get to it here. And here is cleaning solution is down. It's going to be doing its dwelling, doing its work, and we're going to get down and apply the soft wash to the main home, get it all cleaned up, come back up here and do a couple of rinses and a neutralize, and that is a wrap then. Alrighty, get the neutralizer in here, and that's a wrap. There you have it. This is now, zoom it out a little bit, cable down and around, bent. And there's a wrap. Observe. Alright, there's the pop screw sealed. And down here, we already did the other side. I'm not going over there again because I'm working on a towel. And this one's sealed here. Everything is sealed up, cleaned up, and looking beautiful.